Hello, welcome to Two Awesome Dad's Adventures. My name is Jeff, and the other awesome dad is Jody behind the camera. Today's episode, we're going to talk about installing the luggage net for BMW's aluminum panniers or saddlebags. Now, the reason we wanted to do that was because I have a 2009 BMW R1250GS. On that bike, it has Jesse luggage. In the pannier lid was a metal spring container or retainer that was great for being able to put items in the lid. Your rain gear, spare gloves, whatever it might be. It was a good use of the space. With the BMW luggage, the lid is a little more shallow, but it doesn't come with any kind of retainer or any other device to hold items. What is available through both BMW and other suppliers is an elastic luggage net that needs to be installed. So we're going to show you in a moment how that installation happens. But, like we normally do, we're going to open up the box and see what's inside it. What does it come with? So, really easy to open up the box. Here we go. Comes with the four corner retainers that it's going to hold on to the actual luggage net itself. It's pretty straightforward, quite simple, quite effective, and again maximizes the space in that pannier or saddlebag. And besides those 4 hooks, there are 4 screws, 4 rubber washers, and an Allen key. Unfortunately, unlike some other manufacturers out there, they provide you a piece of paper in just about every language on the planet Earth, but it doesn't have anything about the actual instructions. It just tells you to go to a website, a BMW website. Unfortunately, for these instructions, it takes you to a dealer-only website. You have to have the credentials of the retail dealer to be able to get into it and find the instructions. Wasn't able to get much from the dealer itself, so why we're doing this is to give you an idea how to install this the right way. So we're going to learn, share that learning with you, and next we'll just show you the tools we're going to use, and then we'll do the install. Install time. So now we're going to begin the installation of the 4 hooks inside the lid of the BMW aluminum luggage lid. So you'll see we've already done 2 of them just for a point of reference. They go in quite easily in the corners, but we're going to walk you through the actual process. So you'll see that we need to take out these rivets in each corner. We're going to do that with a 5/16 drill bit. We need a metal one, so that we can take out the top, and only the top edge, so that mushroom edge of the rivet with this drill bit. So we're going to go slowly. This is a case of patience. Don't be in a rush. Don't go too hard on it. You want to take a moment, go through it, check, do it a bit more, check, until you finally got the top of that rivet head shaved off, and then you can take the punch with the rubber mallet and tap it out. All right, so here we go. I'm going to hold the other end of it. I have it over the edge of the table, so not going to go through it anyways, but still, I'm going to line it up so it's straight and even. Won't need that, but we will need this. Punch, rubber mallet, and it is the moment of truth. There we go. So we're going to put the grommet on. Like that. Take the hook itself, acts as a nut. We'll get it on until it's finger tight. Get it lined up the way we want it. The T20 Allen key, begin to tighten it up, creating a seal. There we go. There we go. With the final 4th hook in place. We have all 4 now in the corners. Here comes the test. Reach over, grab the net that came with it. Just going to hook it over each corner. If we did it right, we'll have tension on it. So 1, 2, 3, and finally the 4th and final one. That easy, that simple, nice. There we go. Such a simple installation and has major outcomes, meaning you maximize the space of your panniers, your luggage compartment, the lid. Now it's good for something light, like extra pair of gloves, maybe your rain gear, maybe some light camping items. Remember, you don't want to overload this lid. It's not meant for anything heavy. You just want to maximize the use, the space available to you. All right, so that was BMW's luggage net for their panniers, their aluminum pannier set. I'm Jeff from 2 Awesome Dads Adventures. I want to thank you very much for watching this episode. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click on the like if you liked what you saw and what you learned. And again, we encourage you, give us your comments. We can only improve when we hear from you. And if there's anything else you think we could add to make this more interesting and exciting, let us know. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Welcome to 2 Awesome Dads Adventures. My name is Jeff, and Jody, the other awesome dad, is behind the camera. Today, we have an episode about installing the BMW lid net. Apparently, I can't remember what I'm here for. Okay, this is a luggage. Welcome to 2 Awesome Dads Adventures. My name is Jeff, and the other awesome dad is Jody behind the camera. Today, we want to talk about installing BMW's luggage net into the lid of their aluminum panniers or saddlebags. Now, the reason I was going to do this is because in my previous 2009 GS, my 2009 1200 GS, had Jesse luggage, and in it, in the lid, it came with a sprung thing.
It came with a sprung, and you look at it like, what the hell is this called? A sprung thing. And you put it back very matter of fact. I thought you were going to just keep going on. I thought, yeah, we'll leave it with a sprung thing. A spring.